So today I'm going to be putting in the Eufy Camera E340. So let's get on and get it done. These are IP65 monitor activated. They're AI, they have Wi-Fi on them. So let's get it box open and have a look. So there we are. We got two lights to shine down. We've got our camera, which is movable, and we've got a sensor in there. So that is our Eufy light. So these are directional, so we can put them down, up. We've got a sensor here that's going to pick everything up, and we've got a movable camera. Right, so now I've drilled the hole up in the soffit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get my rods. I'm going to use a glow in the dark. So we're going to use a glow in the dark and a couple of other rods, so we haven't got to get down in the eaves. And also, we're going to use our cable sock to put a twin and earth on there. Right, so we've got our rod, so we've got a cable sock screwed in the end. So that, our wire then pushes in. This is a 1mm twin and earth, so it pushes that in like that, like so. And then when you pull it, you can't undo that. Then to take it off, put your finger and thumb on the end and just stop it. There's our rod there. So we're going to drag that through.